tutorial we will create Polyline feature class shapefiles. Make sure you have completed module 13 and 14 before completing this exercise. We'll be skipping a lot of things when doing this exercise. Note that my local trees and my local buildings from previous two modules is still open. In this module will be drawing roads, so zoom out a little bit to be able to see the roads in your area. In your lab 2 folder, create a new shapefile and call it my local roads, and this would be a Polyline type shapefile, and use edit the spatial reference to be NAD 1983. Use the method you learned in module 13 and 14 to select the spatial reference. Once you click OK, you will see my local roads added. Change the color of my local roads to something that is more visible on this image's background, and open the attribute table of local roads. Again, you see it's empty. Add a field called name. Again, it would be a text type variable with the length 20. Okay, let's add some lines. Let's zoom out a little bit further to be able to see the whole area that I'm trying to map, and let's start the editing mode. So the template for my local roads is not visible. We need to, if such thing happens, we need to add the template. So click organize templates if that's the case, and click new template and add my local roads to this list, and notice how my local roads appears, and you can close the organizer. Click my local roads and notice what kind of construction tools are available, and see the cursor, and I'm going to start from one end of the road and click the vertices to map this road. So I am mapping the Swenson Road, and you can put these vertices as close as possible to make it more high quality. It's usually a trade-off between the type of accuracy you're looking for. Once you're done, you can click F2 or right click and select finish sketch, which is again F2, just another way of stopping it. And we can provide the name of this street, which is Swenson Road. That completes one line. Let's add one more, for example Tropicana. Go ahead and add a few more lines, and then go to editor and stop. And again, we haven't saved it, so click yes to save it. And there you go. Again, the table has not been updated. I will close it and reload the attribute table, and you can see all the lines we just created. That completes the tutorial of creating and editing Polyline type feature class. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to edit multiple files, for example a point file, a line file, and polygon file simultaneously, and how to handle that kind of situation.